Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Sport Package, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.